Okay. It's recording.
Look at my armpit.
How hairy. Ugh.
It's not even hairy.
What are you doing?
The light's in my eyes, so I can't really see at the moment.
What are you doing, Katie?
I've got a shit on. That hurts. That hurts.
You're a little twat.
You look like a nigger, but do you see me moaning? No, you don't.
Ugh, 'cause it right up your nose.
Yeah? I can see right up your nose. Oh, shine it to your face. So I can actually see the light. Look at your mouth. Open your mouth. Oh, that's what you are. Look in your eye.
Open your mouth. Then is... Ugh. Your throat looks disgusting. Open. Oh, okay. Your throat.